I am from GoGrass Maths Hub. From today onward, I have taken questions related to NCERT with math. Today I shall discuss chapter 1 rational numbers related to class 8. Question I have taken question number 1 Roman 1 exercise 1.1. Using appropriate properties find minus 2 over 3 into 3 over 5 plus 5 over 2 minus 3 over 5 into 1 over 6. Before proceeding toward the solution of this question, first of all we shall learn some concepts related to these questions. Today we shall learn concept on BODMAS. Thereafter I shall take commutative law, associative law and distributive law. Concept we shall try to understand. Here first of all going to discuss concept on BODMAS. Here I shall write concept on BODMAS. You also note down these things written in English in your notebook also. Whether English language is being understood by you or not, but write the things given or reflected on the blackboard here and try to make yourself understood the things written. Let us proceed. Concept on BODMAS. This is one of the important topics going to discuss here. BODMAS. What is BODMAS? I shall expand the meaning of BODMAS here. BODMAS. B here I shall write B means bracket. Comma. O means of. D means division. M means multiplication. Multiplication. A means addition. S means subtraction. 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 Concept on BODMAS. B means bracket. O means of. D means division. M means multiplication. A means addition. S means subtraction. BODMAS. The concept on BODMAS is used in case of solution of this type of question. Mathematical calculations mixed with division, multiplication, subtraction, addition, and also mixed with various types of brackets. Concept on bracket we must also understand here. BODMAS, you know bracket. Now I am going to discuss types of bracket here. Note down your notebook. Types of bracket and notion also. Types of bracket, you must always remember types of bracket. Here this one is known as square bracket. So here write square bracket. Comma. Here this type if you made, this is known as curly bracket. Curly bracket, you might have been aware of curly, the English term used here, घुघराले बाल, curly hair. Curly hair, घुघराले बाल. You might have seen the hair of some people having curly hair. So from curly hair, curly bracket has been formed. So this is curly bracket. Curly bracket. And here this one is circle bracket. Circular bracket, या circle bracket you can see. Circle bracket. Square bracket, curly bracket, circle bracket. And one of the most important brackets here I shall mention this bracket, you know, equal to vinculum. Vinculum. Vinculum means rekha koshtak. Vinculum means rekha koshtak. This bracket, this type of bracket, vinculum, rekha koshtak is there. Square bracket notion is this one, curly bracket notion is this one, and circle bracket notion is this one, and vinculum notion is this one. And thereafter I shall take applications of these brackets and rules on BODMAS also. So I have discussed here, and please note down, I remember the things here, and rules on application of BODMAS, that is laws related to rational number. Rational numbers means परिमेय संख्या. परिमेय संख्याएं. Rational number means परिमेय संख्याएं. Laws related to discuss here परिमेय संख्या. First law is associative law. First law is associative law, in Hindi सहचर्य सहचर्य नियम। सहचर्य नियम या सहचर्य नियम, both thing is there. Main thing is that you must remember the English concept. Associative law, what associative law says? If I write here 2 multiply 2, 3 into 5 equal to 2 is multiply 2 in bracket, this is circle bracket, I have written 3 into 5, comes out to here 2 into the numbers given in the bracket will be operated first. So 3 will multiply to 5, comes out to here 15. 2 into 15 comes out to here 30. And also I can write 2 multiply to 3, put in circular bracket, multiply to 5, comes out to be 2 will multiply to 3, comes out to here 6. To first operate the numbers those who are inside the bracket. So 3 will multiply to 2, comes out to here 6, multiply to 5. The 6 5 are 30, 30 you have got. This means that associative law is applicable here. The associative law you can write in online 2 into in bracket 3 into 5 can be written as 2 into 3 into 5. This is associative because here associative means सहचर्य ला। सहचर्य मतलब सह माने साथ में, आचर्य माने चलना, चर्य माने चलना, सह माने साथ, साथ साथ चलना। 3 and 5 एक साथ चले, multiply to 2, same result you have got. And also if 2 and 3 एक साथ चले and multiply to 5, you have got the same outcome in both cases. That's why this is the associative law. You have got associative law, concept on associative law. Next concept I am going to discuss here, commutative law. Commutative law. What is commutative law? Commutative means क्रम विनिमय नियम, क्रम विनिमय, क्रम विनिमय, विनिमय, क्रम विनिमय नियम, क्रम विनिमय नियम, commutative law. If I write क्रम विनिमय 7 into 8 is the same 8 into 7. क्रम विनिमय means commutative law. The first of all I have taken 7 number, thereafter 8 number. Both numbers are being multiplied here. So 7 into 8, if you change the order, you can write 8 into 7. 7 into 8, write here 8 into 7. Result in both cases, you will get here implied that 7 5 ja 56 into 7 8 ja 56. This is the commutative law applied here. And next law I shall discuss one of the most important law I am going to discuss. Distributive law is applicable everywhere in mathematical calculation or algebraic calculation. So here I shall write 3. Distributive law. Distributive law. Concept on distributive law, you must understand what is distributive law. Distributive law वितरक नियम. वितरण नियम you must understand. Distributive law. Distributive law means वितरण नियम. If I say 5 multiply to 6 plus 7, 5 multiply to in bracket 6 plus 7, what will do in this case? Here I have used circular bracket. Here circle bracket. So when circle bracket will be broken, 5 will enter inside, bracket will be broken. To get the result here, 5 will multiply to 6 plus this plus I have written here, and 5 will multiply to 7. You have got here equal to circular bracket will be broken, 5 will enter inside, 5 will multiply to 6 plus I shall write, and 5 will multiply to 7. You will get here 5 6 are 30 plus 7 5 are 35. You will get here 65. And here also 7 plus 6. The numbers given in the bracket will be operated first. 6 plus 7 is there in the circle bracket, will be operated first. 7 will be added to 6, comes out to here 13. 13 5 just 65 you have got. So you can see here in left hand side you have got the same result as 65, and also in right hand side you have got the same result 65. This means that distributive law on the operations of the distributive law on the operation on rational numbers in being verified here. Some concept I have discussed. Concept on BODMAS. Types of bracket I have mentioned. Square bracket, curly bracket, circle bracket, and vinculum. Law related to rational numbers mentioned here. Premise rational number, premise sankhya. Associative law, structure law. Rule is this one. Commutative law, क्रम विनिमय नियम I have mentioned here, and distributive law you have mentioned here. BODMAS, in BODMAS order will be same order. First of all crack down bracket. After that take the operation of division. No. First of all solve the operation, the things numbers given inside the bracket. Thereafter operation of will be operated. Thereafter division, thereafter multiplication, thereafter addition, thereafter subtraction. In order applications will be used. Bracket applications, half application, division applications. B bracket, O of D division, M multiplication, A addition, A subtraction. Each letter is taken in order, क्रम से. Here I have discussed some concept. These concept will be applied here in the solution of this question. Question number 1, exercise 1.1, using appropriate properties, find minus 2 over 3 multiplied to 3 over 5 plus 5 over 2 minus 3 over 5 multiplied to 1 over 6. So here I shall write, given that minus 2 over 3 multiplied to 3 over 5 plus 5 over 2 minus 3 over 5 multiplied to 1 over 6. This thing you have given. So here it says appropriate properties. Appropriate properties, uchit properties, uchit niyam, you can see. Appropriate properties, by using appropriate properties, you have to find the value of this thing. So what to do here? Here you can see 3 over 5 is available here, and here first of all go through the given